Going to be another warm but a little bit muggy afternoon. Temperatures once again warming into the mid 80s for many locations. Lots of sunshine, not a lot of wind, but we're going to see dew points in the 60s and low 70s. So it's going to feel a little bit sticky out there again today. Here's a look at temperatures this afternoon by 5 o'clock. 80 degrees Rolla and Devil's Lake, 80 in Wadena as well, 85 Aberdeen and Fargo, 82 Sisseton, 81 in Grand Forks. As for the mugginess, going to be very humid today into tomorrow, and then Thursday afternoon, that humidity spikes into the steamy category. And with that, we're going to have a cold front cutting through that hot and humid environment. Lots of unstable air in place right now. We've got a marginal risk for severe. So Austin, coming up in just a few minutes, we're going to talk more about that severe risk, and an early taste of fall is on the way as well. We'll have those details here in just a bit.
All right, you got it. Thanks, Summer.
Tuesday afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Checking out your first alert headlines into the afternoon. It's going to be another warm and muggy day today, tomorrow, and into Thursday as well. Then a cold front arrives on Thursday that's going to bring about some change, going to bring the potential for some severe thunderstorms. And then behind the cold front, a little bit of a taste of fall as we transition into the weekend. Taking a look at temperatures for tomorrow and Thursday. Low to mid 80s. We have thunderstorm potential on Thursday, and then by Friday, a bit on the windy side, mostly clear temperatures, mostly in the 70s. Talking about the severe weather risk for Thursday. Right now, our entire region is highlighted under a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe, with main hazards including large hail up to the size of golf balls and gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Taking a look at the forecast, late Wednesday night, more so overnight into Thursday morning, could see a few thunderstorms moving into the Devil's Lake Basin. But then we'll start to see a couple more chances for showers and storms into the afternoon. So a few in northeastern North Dakota throughout the morning, and then the afternoon hours transitioning into northern Minnesota as that front comes through. And then into the evening hours, could see additional storms popping up through the Central Valley down to the south and east. So watching that closely here over the next couple of days. Temperatures this afternoon, along with the heat index, 85 by 5 o'clock in Fargo. It'll feel closer to 90 degrees in some locations, especially across the southern Red River Valley. A little bit cooler to the north with temperatures and heat indices in the 70s. For tomorrow, we'll again see temperatures mostly in the 80s, especially through the Central Valley and eastern North Dakota. Looking at northwestern Minnesota, temperatures a little cooler in the 70s. Precipitation chances. Yes, we have isolated severe storm risk on Thursday, but that's our only risk for any kind of rain really throughout the rest of the week. But behind that, again, that taste of fall, that's going to stick with us for a little bit. This is the outlook by the time we get to the 24th through the 28th of the month. Temperatures trending below average, especially to the south and east. And then looking even further into the early part of September, still trending slightly below average. So here's a look at our numbers. Warm and muggy the next 3 days. So if you're a fan of the summertime warmth, this is your chance, because by the weekend, high temperatures are expected to be in the 60s. All of next week, high temperatures anticipated to be in the 70s.
I like the nice, cool 70 degree. It's not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We haven't had a very hot summer the way it is, so it's not really a surprise that we're getting a little glimmer of fall temperatures a little early.
Fall is among us.
Yes.
Just about.
So
yeah.
close.
Thanks, Summer. Well,
we're warm for the next couple of days. We've got this warm air mass, and in our region, we see that kind of peaking as we head into today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Then we have a cold front move through. That cold front is going to pull in some cooler air from Canada along with some high pressure. So we're going to stay dry, clear, and cool all the way into the start of next week at least. And here's one more look at the numbers. This weekend, Austin, we're trading the mid and upper 80s that we saw this past weekend for 60s this upcoming weekend. The good news, it looks mostly dry.
yeah, I mean, we'll take the dry. 60s is okay, you know, could be worse, could be better, obviously. But
maybe a little pumpkin spice.
Yeah, so we're holding on a little bit.
A little bit.
Thanks, Summer. That's all the time we have at noon. Have a great rest of your Tuesday.